This is Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. This is Johannes from Mercedes Product Development in Stuttgart, and this is the T-Class. Johannes, what can you say about this vehicle?
Yes, exactly. This is a new T-Class with in the length 1, that means a short wheelbase, with the Marco Polo module as a prototype. The Marco Polo module will be available end of the year. Sales directly via the dealership of Mercedes. And I guess what you already saw earlier is the upright seats. We have already folded the driver seats completely to the front, so we make way for the sleeping module that we are about to unfold.
So how long is the vehicle?
The vehicle overall is about 4.90 meters in length.
Yeah, so it's the length of a car, a normal car. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay, so we have to push the seats up, and so please go ahead and make
Yes.
the bed.
So if we fold the second seat row, as you can see, it folds very low, and you also don't have a step in the loading floor. And what we see here in the rear is the Marco Polo module with its bed frame.
Mm-hmm.
My colleague and I, we are about to open the length adjustment. This is the first half. The second half we can fold like this, and on both sides, as you see, there are like vertical elements that make sure that it's staying in place.
Yeah, and there's space under for storage as well.
Yes. We also have these single spring elements for comfort.
Yeah.
And a little bit thicker mattress element, foam element. This is a prototype status. We will find a way to connect these so that they don't create a gap when you are sleeping.
Yeah, there is. I mean, a number of companies use zips, for example.
Yes,
I don't know
something like this.
how realistic that is if it breaks. Okay, that's very good. And at the back as well,
Yes.
perhaps we should have a look at what's happening at the rear.
Yes, absolutely.
So, what here we've got. Okay, well, we can see from the here what's happening. We've got, for example, the fridge is out.
Yes, the fridge is out. It has a capacity of 15 liters storage, and it's actively cooled with a small compressor.
Oh, so the compressor is inside the fridge.
Yes,
yeah,
it's
the
inside
yeah,
this
yeah,
box,
sure,
yeah.
sure.
And
Yeah,
the
yeah.
whole module is connected to the 12-volt socket on the left side. of
Yeah,
the car.
and we can charge it from the vehicle battery, the engine battery.
That's right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Well, yeah.
let's go. Sorry, go ahead.
Yes. Okay. On the right we have a cartridge gas cooker, which is also it is removable, so you can cook at a different space, perhaps at a camping table or something. And underneath here, if I close this, there's also additional storage space. You can put cooking stuff or also ingredients underneath here. In the central element, what is also hidden here and perhaps can be better seen like this. This is the foot of the table that we see over here. The whole seating group, also with the folding seats, will also be included in the package.
Yeah. So there will be a space for these chairs in the vehicle as well.
Yes, exactly. That is in front of the module, but behind the second seat row, there's like a space like this because the back rest is a little inclinated, so that's enough space for the folding seats also.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what you probably don't see at the first glance is that this is a tabletop.
Yeah.
It's very neatly stored here also integrated in the design, I would say. This space behind the star is right now it's empty. This is where the frame of the bed is folding in and going in.
Yes. And we have a water tank here.
Last but not least, we have a 12-liter freshwater capacity tank. And if we take the module out, we can unfold this to create a better sink.
Yeah.
It's also fixed here, not to move while driving. And it's very quickly folded back and then also completely stored neatly in the rear design.
Yeah.
What else can be said is that that with 4 screws you can unscrew the whole module. It will weigh around 50 kilos. So with 2 people it will be easy, and I would guess like 10 to 15 minutes to take it out. And then you have a completely normal everyday T-Class with a full load capacity for everyday use. Weekend you put it back in and the camping trip can start.
Yes. And what about the engine of the vehicle?
Yes, currently there are 2 diesel engines and 2 petrol engines available, both with manual transmission and automatic transmission, double clutch. And also end of this year, beginning of next year, there will be a fully electric version of the T-Class. Also around the same time there will also be a Length 2, which has a 40 centimeters more wheelbase and also overall vehicle length, which adds up to 4.90 m then to the Length 1 which we see here.
Yes. Well, okay. No, it's very nice. Thanks for saying that.
A pleasure, yeah.
So thanks very much for watching. Lots more information about vehicles on this channel if you want to subscribe. For the moment, all the best for now.